Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. How are you? Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Here I am Lokman, an assistant teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Now I am going to take an agricultural studies class for the students of class 6. Our today's discussion topic has been taken from Chapter 5, Lesson 6, 7, 8. I would like to request my beloved students, please open your book and go to Chapter 5, Lesson 6, 7 and 8. In this chapter, it has been discussed about tomato cultivation, how you can cultivate tomato and what should be the suitable soil and what can be the breed and how can you prepare your land. The process of tomato cultivation has been discussed here. And then in lesson 7, it has been also discussed about different types of disease and how to control the disease. At the last lesson, lesson 8, you will get the idea about fish cultivation in Bangladesh. So I hope you have already opened your book now. So let's see what's waiting for our today's lesson. Before going to our main lesson, you can have a look here. Can you see the picture? These are tomato. Is tomato cultivation in a field. In our second picture, we can see some people are catching fish from a farm. It also fish cultivation. So let's start. Tomato cultivation method, lesson 6. This is my lecture number 4, and at the end of our today's class, I will provide you an SW, and SW number should be 3. Okay. Tomato cultivation method, lesson 6. First of all, we will get here breed. What should be the breed and varieties of tomato? In our local bazaar, you can get lots of different types of tomatoes. So they can be grown well according to the season to season. In summer season, you will get some different tomato, and Rabi season or winter season, you will get other different tomato. So Bari tomato 2, Ratan. Bari tomato 9, Lalima. Bari tomato 10, Anupama. Bari tomato 3 are among winter varieties. Bari tomato 4, Bari tomato 5, Bari tomato 9, Lalima. Bari tomato 10, Anupama, and Bari tomato 11, Jumka. Bari hybrid tomato 3, Bari hybrid tomato 4 are among summer varieties. Okay, now go to soil. What can be the proper and suitable soil for tomato cultivation? Basically, for tomato cultivation, you can cultivate for tomato any types of soil, but especially fertile loamy soil with light and air is most suitable for tomato cultivation. However, tomato is grown well in all types of the soil, from sandy to loamy soil to clay loamy soil, if proper nursing is ensured. Okay, now seedling production method. 200 gram seeds is required in a hectare of land for tomato cultivation. First, each 50 gram seeds is densely sown in 4 seed beds. It should be proportion should be followed, 3 meter into 1 meter. When seeds germinate, seedlings are planted 4 into 4 centimeter apart in a second seed bed after 8 or 10 days. Now go to land preparation and fertilizer application. The land is to be made by loose by 4 and 5 times plowing and laddering. If you plow again and again, it can be 4 or 5 times, then your soil would be very loose, which is very suitable for tomato cultivation. Okay. Fertilizers for tomato cultivation are to be used as follows. Name of fertilizer: urea, it can be 2 to 2.5 kg. TSP, you can apply 1.5 to 2 kg. MOP, 0.8 to 1.2 kg. Cow dung, it should be 30 to 50 kg. Now seedling transplanting. When the seedlings grow into 30 to 35 days, when it passes 30 to 35 days, then it can be suitable for your plantation. When the seedling becomes 30 to 35 days old, it becomes suitable for plantation. Intercultural operation. In our last class, we talked about intercultural cooperation. The nursing which is taken from planting to crop harvesting, between this time, all type of nursing is called intercultural operation. For tomato cultivation, you can take care, like the land must be kept weed free. Of course, your land must be weed free first, then it's lightly irrigated the first 3 to 4 days of the seedling transplanting. Later, if the soil is deficient in moisture, it's necessary to irrigate the land. Lesson 7. Now in this lesson you will get the idea about different types of disease and pest control of tomato. Dumping of disease. The bottom of the seedling is drenched. The symptom of this disease is the bottom of the seedling is drenched with water spots and gets rotten. Sometimes the root gets rotten and the seedling dies. The soil is drenched with Redomil gold and applied in the affected place. Wilting disease is another disease. The plants will downwards anytime and dies quickly in this bacterial disease. The affected plants need to be burnt on spot. Your affected plants should be removed quickly. You can burn it. Okay, next, yellow leaf curl disease. The leaf gets wrinkled from the edge to the midrib in this fungal disease. To control this disease, the tomato field needs to be weed free, disease free, and affected plants need to be removed and burnt. Now it's time to harvest your crop. Tomato starts to ripen after 2 months of seedlings transplanting. The duration of tomato is 120 to 150 days depending on their varieties. When the tomato becomes reddish in color, the fruit is collected by cutting the stalk. So now go to lesson 8. It has been discussed about introduction to fish cultivation in Bangladesh. We know that fish is very favorite food for us, like Bangladeshi. We every day eat our favorite fish. Fish is our very favorite food. A lot of fishes are found naturally in the sweet water of our rivers, canals, marshes, ponds, lakes such as rui, katla, mrigel, sing, magur, puti, khalisha, koi or climbing fish, chitola, boal, shrimp, etc. On the other hand, there are different kinds of fishes in the Bay of Bengal, a huge source of our saline water fish such as hilsa, rupchada, lotka, coral, etc. Okay, fish is a vertebrate animal. Vertebrate means which possesses a backbone in its body, and they breathe with gill and move with tail. You can see the picture. This is a gill of a fish. They can take breath with this gill, and it is noticed that their head is very slim and their tail also is very slim, but their body is fat. Their head and their tail is very slim so that they can move easily and quickly. Okay, the body of the fish is fat and is slim towards head and tail, so they can move easily and quickly in the water. But it's totally different. Shrimp is an invertebrate animal. It has no backbone in shrimp. Shrimps live in water and they are delicious to eat. Even we can earn a lot of currency exporting our shrimp to other countries. Besides local fishes, some exotic fishes have been brought to our country for cultivation from abroad. Among the cultivable exotic fishes, there are Thai fungus, silver carp, grass carp, Thai sharputi and tilapia also. This is all about our today's lesson. We are at the end of our today's discussion. So in this discussion we have already understood how to cultivate tomato properly, and what should be the breed, and what should be the soil, and how can you plow your soil to make it loose, and then how to control disease and different types. We are introduced with different types of disease, and at the end of our today's class we get some idea about fish cultivation. Now please open your CW or HW copy and pick out this HW question, and you have to submit this question next Sunday. Please remember to mention the HW number at the top of your HW copy. Hurry up, start writing. Number 1, name a few numbers of vertebrate fish. Question, these are all knowledge based questions which carry only 1 mark. Name a few numbers of vertebrate fish. Number 2, what are the per decimal production of tomato in winter and summer season? Number 3, write some characteristics of cultivable fish. Number 4, what is called cultivable fish? And the last one is, which fish is called carnivorous? These are all about our HW, where only 5 sentences are given, knowledge based question. So please submit this HW next Sunday. You have already realized the importance of submission of HW. As we are not getting you in our physically in our class, that's why we are going to give SBA, CT and DRD marks on the basis of your submission of your HW. So don't delay to submit this HW. Stay home, stay well, keep practicing at home, and see you soon with next video. Allah Hafiz.